Many seniors start their day with a light breakfast toast with jam, a cup of tea, or maybe a bowl of cereal. While these choices may feel comfortable and traditional, they often lack a critical macronutrient, protein. This seemingly small oversight can lead to a cascade of health issues, particularly for people over 65. Protein is not just important for building muscle, it also supports immune function, balances blood sugar, maintains cognitive clarity, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Without enough protein in the morning, seniors may experience energy crashes, muscle loss, and weight gain, or worsen existing conditions like diabetes and arthritis. Let's break down why this mistake is so common and what can be done to fix it. Why seniors tend to miss out on morning protein. 1. Appetite changes with age. If we get older, our appetites naturally decrease. Seniors often wake up not feeling particularly hungry, leading them to choose lighter meals that are easier to digest. However, light often translates to carb-heavy and protein light, such as toast, fruit, or oatmeal without added protein. 2. Chewing difficulties. Dental issues, missing teeth, or dentures can make chewing meats, nuts, or tough proteins difficult. This can cause seniors to avoid protein-rich options like eggs, sausage, or chicken. 3. Outdated nutritional habits. Many people over 65 grew up in an era when fat and protein were wrongly demonized, and low-fat, high-carb diets were promoted. As a result, some still avoid eggs or meat in the morning, believing they're unhealthy. 4. Convenience over nutrition. Some seniors live alone and prefer simplicity. It's easier to grab a banana or a slice of toast than to prepare scrambled eggs or a protein shake. Why morning protein matters. After 651. Prevents muscle loss. Sarcopenia. Starting around age 30, people begin to lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade, and this loss accelerates after 60. This condition, known as sarcopenia, is a major cause of frailty and falls in older adults. Consuming adequate protein, especially in the morning, helps to counter this by stimulating muscle protein synthesis. 2. Stabilizes blood sugar. A high-carb breakfast without protein can cause a blood sugar spike followed by a crash, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and cravings. For seniors managing diabetes or prediabetes, this roller coaster can be dangerous. Protein helps regulate glucose levels and maintain steady energy throughout the day. 3. Improves cognitive function. Protein provides the building blocks for neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Starting the day without protein can lead to decreased alertness, slower thinking, and lower mood. In contrast, a protein-rich breakfast supports mental clarity and focus. 4. Supports weight management. Protein increases satiety, helping people feel full for longer. Seniors who start the day with protein tend to snack less and maintain a healthier weight, which is crucial for mobility and joint health. How to fix the mistake. Simple ways to add protein to breakfast. You don't need to overhaul your entire breakfast routine. Here are some easy and practical ways to incorporate more protein into your morning without complicated cooking or hard-to-chew foods. 1. Eggs. The classic powerhouse eggs are one of the most complete protein sources. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein. Scramble them, boil them, or make an omelette with soft veggies and cheese. They're also easy to chew and digest. Tip. Worried about cholesterol? Studies show that for most people, eggs do not significantly impact heart disease risk. Check with your doctor, but in general, 1 to 2 eggs per day is safe and beneficial for most seniors. 2. Greek yogurt or Skyathes options are thicker and higher in protein than regular yogurt. Choose plain or low-sugar versions and add fruit, honey, or nuts if desired. Tip. Lactose intolerant? Try lactose-free or plant-based high-protein yogurts made from soy or pea protein. 3. Protein smoothie. As a smoothie is perfect if chewing is a problem. Blend milk or a dairy-free alternative with protein powder, banana, berries, and peanut butter. It's delicious, fast, and can contain 20 grams of protein in one go. Tip: use an unflavored or vanilla protein powder and add oats or flaxseed for extra fiber. 4. Nut butter: spread peanut butter, almond butter, or sunflower seed butter on whole grain toast or apple slices. Just 2 tablespoons provide about 8 grams of protein. Tip: choose natural nut butters with no added sugar or hydrogenated oils. 5. Cottage cheese or Rickettathis soft cheeses are easy to chew and surprisingly high in protein. Add a scoop to your toast or fruit bowl. Tip: mix with berries and cinnamon for a sweet version, or with chopped tomatoes and herbs for a savory one. 6. Leftover meats. Wo says breakfast has to be breakfast food. A slice of leftover chicken or turkey from dinner, warmed and served with toast or eggs, is a great way to increase protein without extra cooking. A sample high-protein senior breakfast: quick and easy to scrambled eggs 12 grams protein, 1 slice whole grain toast with peanut butter 8 grams protein, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt with berries 10 grams protein total, approximately 30 grams of protein. This amount is ideal for older adults, as research shows seniors need more protein per meal, 25 to 30 grams, to stimulate muscle maintenance compared to younger adults. After age 65, your health depends more than ever on what you eat, and how you start your day sets the stage for everything that follows. The most common breakfast mistake seniors make is skipping protein, often without realizing the long-term consequences. Fortunately, fixing this is simple. Whether you prefer eggs, yogurt, smoothies, or even savory leftovers, adding a source of high-quality protein to your breakfast can significantly improve your strength, energy, and overall well-being. Small changes in your morning routine can lead to big changes in your health. So tomorrow morning, ask yourself, where's the protein? Your body and your future self will thank you. Many seniors tend to start their day with foods like white toast, sugary cereals, pastries, or sweetened yogurts. While these choices are quick and comforting, they are often high in refined carbohydrates and sugars, but low in essential nutrients. This mistake can lead to spikes and crashes in blood sugar, fatigue, weight gain, and worsen chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease. Why is this a problem? Refined carbs and sugars are quickly digested, causing a rapid rise in blood glucose. After this spike, blood sugar levels fall sharply, often leaving seniors feeling tired, irritable, and hungry again within a few hours. This roller coaster effect can be particularly harmful to older adults because it increases risk of insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes promotes inflammation, which can worsen arthritis and other chronic illnesses. Contributes to weight gain, especially around the abdomen, causes energy crashes that reduce motivation for physical activity, negatively impacts cognitive function and mood. How to fix it? Choose balanced breakfasts with fiber, protein, and healthy fats to break the cycle of refined carbs and sugar. Seniors should focus on eating breakfasts that combine complex carbohydrates like whole grains, oats, or vegetables, protein, eggs, yogurt, nuts, seeds, or lean meats, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil. This combination slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. Easy breakfast swaps for better health. Replace sugary cereal with steel-cut oats topped with nuts and berries. Swap white toast for whole grain or sprouted grain bread with avocado or nut butter. Choose plain Greek yogurt and add fresh fruit instead of flavored yogurt. Enjoy a vegetable omelette with a slice of whole grain toast. Try a smoothie with protein powder, spinach, and flaxseed. Benefits of fixing this mistake. Making these simple changes can help seniors maintain steady energy throughout the morning, control weight and blood sugar more effectively, support heart health, and reduce inflammation. Improve mental clarity and mood. Stay stronger by supporting muscle health. Many seniors start their day with a glass of orange, apple, or grape juice, believing it's a healthy way to get vitamins. While fruit juice does contain some nutrients, it lacks the fiber and other benefits of whole fruit and can actually cause more harm than good. Why this is a problem after 65 high sugar content without fiber. A glass of orange juice can contain as much sugar as a soda, 20 plus grams per cup, but without the fiber that slows sugar absorption. This leads to rapid blood sugar spikes, which can contribute to insulin resistance and weight gain. Missing key nutrients and fiber. Whole fruits contain soluble fiber, which aids digestion, lowers cholesterol, and keeps blood sugar stable. Juicing removes most of this fiber, leaving behind concentrated sugars, less satiety, more hunger. Liquid calories don't fill you up as much as solid food, leading to overeating later, acidic and hard on teeth. Many fruit juices are highly acidic, which can erode tooth enamel, particular concern for seniors with dental issues. How to fix it? Healthier alternatives to fruit juice instead of drinking fruit juice. Try these nutrient-rich, fiber-packed alternatives that provide natural sweetness without the downsides. 1. Eat whole fruit instead. Best choices: berries, blueberries, strawberries, apples with skin, pears, and oranges with the pulp, whites. Better. Whole fruit contains fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants without the sugar rush. 2. Blend a smoothie with veggies and protein. Try this: spinach plus banana plus almond butter plus Greek yogurt plus chia seeds. Why it's better. Smoothies retain fiber, and adding protein yogurt, nut butter, or healthy fats, chia seeds balances blood sugar. 3. Infuse water with fruit for flavor. Try this: sliced cucumbers plus lemon plus mint, or strawberries plus basil in water. Why it's better. Hydrating with zero sugar and a refreshing taste. 4. Opt for vegetable juice with pulp. Best choices: freshly made carrot juice with pulp, or low-sodium tomato juice. Why it's better. Lower in sugar than fruit juice and packed with vitamins. What if you really love juice? If giving up juice entirely is tough, try these healthier compromises. Diluted 50% water plus 50% juice. Choose 100% pure, no sugar-added juices, but still limit to small amounts. Drink it with a protein-rich meal, eggs, or yogurt to slow sugar absorption. Final tip: focus on fiber and balanced meals. Seniors should aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily to support digestion, heart health, and blood sugar control. Starting the day with whole fruit instead of juice is an easy way to boost fiber intake naturally